If you're learning data science, finance, or Python, 365 Data Science is a fantastic course platform. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up with a discount using the referral link in the description. But let's firstly take a look on the website to understand what it offers, because actually you have courses for data scientists, for data analysis, for business analysts. You also have machine learning, financial analysis. So actually click here to explore courses and you will have like the list of all different courses available, because actually each course includes quizzes, real world project, and completion certificates. Their dashboard tracks your progress and skill, and new courses are added frequently. So now here is the trick. The referral link below unlocks discounted yearly plans not shown on the homepage. So click the referral link in the description before signing up to unlocking your deal. Guys, this is important. Make sure to not sign up before you have used the link, because otherwise you will not get access to discounted prices. Learn new skills while the 365 data science discount is still active.